Hello, everybody. I'm Mr. Wang, graduated from Peking University, majored in math. Our channel keeps sharing our original thoughts about the Canadian way and American way of learning mathematics in elementary school. So today, let's talk about the Canadian math, the grade 3. Yeah. And in grade 3, the Ontario Curriculum Math version 2020, the latest version, this file, after I analyze it, I realized that it begins to teach ratio at an early stage, for example, the grade 3. This is very different from the teaching in China, because in China, we usually teach ratio to grade 6 students. So why does this difference occur? It all goes back to the different design of the teaching system. In Canadian math, we have discussed in the previous videos that they teach fraction from grade 1, even though they do not teach how to write the fraction in standardized form, but in grade 1 they begin to teach some intuition about the fraction, like half and fourth. Okay, from grade 1 the Canadian students learn about fraction, and then grade 2, grade 3, each grade even further. So that's called the spiral learning, and then which provides the condition that the Canadian students can understand ratio at an early age in grade 3. And they begin to teach ratio, and they do not teach all of the things. They begin with how to understand 1 to 2 and 1 to 5, 1 to 10. And they use various examples to enhance the understanding of the students. Okay. And so the ratio can be related to multiples. For example, I have 1 red ball and 2 yellow balls. So the number of red ball to the number of yellow balls is 1 to 2, which in the contrary way, the number of the yellow balls is 2 times the number of red balls. Okay, so we understand multiples even earlier. So we now can relate the ratio to the previous understanding of multiples. Okay, and the Ontario Curriculum Math 2002 version file, after they talk about the ratio, they talk about this double number line, which is very interesting. I have never seen this in the Chinese math teaching system, the school math or the math Olympics. No, there's nothing like this, which is very interesting. This is a purely Canadian featured content. And first, this double number line is exactly from the Ontario file. And the first number line is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the second number line is 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, which has the relation that each number we times 5. And then we have this connection. It's called the double number line. Why is it Canadian feature? Because in grade 1 Canadian math, we talk about number. And when we talk about number, we talk about this number line. That's only one line. And now we have the ratio. So we combine 2 number lines together and make them a double number line. So this is very interesting. And this is exactly like when we see a map, and then a centimeter in the map may represent a long distance in our real world. So that's very interesting. So that's my understanding of the Canadian math when we talk about the grade 3 learning content, what we should pay attention to. And hope today's video will help you. I'm Mr. Wang, graduated from Peking University, and I majored in math. Our channel keeps sharing our original thoughts about Canadian way and American way of learning mathematics. And see you next time. Thank you for your support. Bye-bye.